Hey, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, host of this show, and today I have a special announcement. I have partnered with DetroitAxle.com, and I am going to be providing a link to their website in all of the descriptions of any video that I have done related to their product, and I will also be uh, giving you guys a 10% code. It is actually called Daniel10. That will be the code that you use. And instead of using the Amazon links like I have been doing in the past, this gets you direct. Real simple to use. They have, when you go to DetroitAxle.com, you put in your year, your make, your model, and um, trim, all that stuff. And from there, you can start searching your parts. If they have it, you'll get it at a great deal. They have awesome customer service. Uh, Shipping is fast. A lot of times free. Um, I've been working with them for let's see, pretty much a year. I've been using their products, and I have no complaints on their products. Really good products, built right here in the USA, actually built right up in Michigan. Anyways, yeah, I am going to be linking that code down in the description below, and I'll pop an image in the next clip right here. So you guys can see that. Um, Also, I do plan on doing a review on some of the products that I've been using with them. Um, Nothing negative really, just a few pointers that I'd like to stick out there for you guys. Uh, Nothing major, but I will be doing that video very soon. Kind of waiting for. It's kind of cool right now. I'm waiting for a little bit warmer weather. It's not terrible. But anyways, yeah. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Check out some of my other videos. I'm looking to do some changes to my YouTube channel completely. Um, so stay tuned for all that. Um, and thank you to everybody that has been subscribing. It's really awesome. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Uh, I'm sure I'm looking forward to hitting 300 subscribers. I'm at 207 as of today. Uh, my goal is 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. I'm hoping I hit that goal. That would be really awesome. And but yeah, like I said, smash that thumbs up and share my content. I don't just do videos about my G6. I did a video about my parents' G3. There's an old Ford Ranger on there that I did a little video about. It's nothing major. Um, it turned out bombing on me. Uh, there's a few others. Pontiac, Montana, I did. I think I got some work coming up on a Chevy Impala that I'm going to be doing here soon. Um, there's there's a few other things I'm going to be doing. I'm looking to buy a couple vehicles here and there that I can do some videos with. So, yeah, just like I said, man, just smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.